We went out for a picnic and this is totally one of the best Sunday after church family bonding. Hi there mga Mars and Pars, this is Mami Maan. Our family vlogs focuses on sharing family bonding ideas, food and ulam recipes, brand promotion and partnerships, financial and emotional advice, and more. So for today, I am sharing to you our picnic bonding after church namin. Dito yan sa CDC Parade Grounds, Clark Angeles, Pampanga. As a mom of both toddlers, Habi and I are looking for a place like this na maluwag, maliwalas, that they can freely jump, play, and enjoy. A lot of you are asking bakit nga ba kami palaging lumalabas, gumagala, at palaging kumakain. Mind you, we're not rich. It's just that I realized na totoong napakabilis lang ng panahon. Sinusulit kasi namin itong mga panahon na kami pa yung gustong kasama ng mga bata. Because who knows, a year or two, iba na ang gusto nilang makasama. We focus on creating happy memories for them para naman paglaki nila, there's no need to heal the inner child in them. Millennial people can relate on this. Marami sa inyo, they see this as spoiling them too much. But if you say so, how can I object? Hindi nyo nakikita yung buong week nila habang bored sila kakapanood sa amin ni Daddy mag-grind at magtrabaho. We're not the perfect parents na kayang i-juggle ang business, parenting, at marriage all at once, and I can say we're trying. So this is story time whenever our friends na naka-abroad tells us, buti pa kayo kahit andyan lang magkakasama kayo. And that hits right through our hearts na isa yon sa pinaka-thankful din kami. Lagi namin nire-remind yung mga sarili namin na kahit ang hirap ng daily routine namin juggling everything, at the end of the day, magkakasama kami. As a family, we can kiss and hug each other every time we want. We can eat and sleep together at our convenience. Minsan o kadalasan kasi nakakalimutan natin ipagpasalamat na ang biggest blessing is being able to be with our family, physically and emotionally. We take it for granted and we complicate things because we are being ungrateful. How can I say? Maraming overseas people na mas gustong kasama ang pamilya nila, but they do not have the choice. They have to work harder. They have to chase their dreams. They have to build their future. Kaya kung napapanood mo ito and you are with your family right now, you are so lucky. Marami din taong namimiss ang pamilya nila because they do not have the chance in this lifetime. Maybe in different world dahil kasama na sila ni Lord. So yes, if you are not happy seeing family wearing their smiles during family day, maybe you have that jealousy and insecurity in you. So let me just remind you, one day when you have your own family, you have to make sure you are building happy memories with them. Maikli lang ang buhay para palaging magalit at mainggit. So mabalik tayo dito sa picnic experience natin. It is also overwhelming to meet people, totally strangers turned into friends, just for a moment. A positivity we all need. Experience how many good people can treat you better. Ganito siguro yung moment yung uulit-ulitin namin kasi hindi ko kailangan mag-worry kung palagi ba silang mababangga, mauntog, madapa dahil super enjoy ang kids. Appreciating the beauty of life and meeting beautiful people is one of the things that will keep you going. Sometimes you need your children to explore. For a moment, they will realize that we, their parents, love them and cherish them. Fill their lives with love, respect, gratefulness, and positivity. This is one of the reasons why we value Family Day. Family moments and family bonding. Hindi namin gugustuhin na mahanap nila yung happiness nila sa ibang tao, sa ibang lugar, dahil hindi namin yun naibigay sa kanila. Mahirap magpalaki ng mga anak na malayo ang loob nila sa ating mga magulang, dahil hindi natin naibigay yung atensyon at pagmamahal na gusto nila.